My name is Sean Lee, and today I'm going to show you how I feed my fish in my aquaponics system for free using duckweed and with no effort. And you can build this yourself if you want to, and here is the idea. You connect the container where you grow the duckweed with a fish tank with two canals. You put one canal inside the other one so you can pull it out, and then the fish will swim in underneath it and eat from the hole that you're made in the first canal. And by adjusting it in and out, you decide the amount of food that is available for a fish, depending on how many fish you have that week or month. Inside the container of the duckweed, you should have some media in the bottom. This will help the bacteria convert the fish poo into nutrients for duckweed, which is floating on the surface. Duckweed grows really quickly, so within 4 to 6 days it doubles itself and it just pushes itself into the fish tank, and you don't have to do anything. Hope you enjoyed it.